there, it is raining outside and it's supposed to rain until end of the week. Can you believe it? It appears like this is wetter than the average winter in Southern California. We don't get much rain in here. Actually, whenever rain is in the forecast, many would say, we need the rain, we need this rain. We really need the rain. And a couple of years ago, they restricted our watering. So we can only turn on our sprinkler system Monday, depending on the street address. We can only turn our sprinkler system Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, or Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. With this continuous downpour, our rain barrels are all filled up. We have rain barrels in all. How many barrels do we have? 4 in all 4 corners of our house. There's one here. They are all attached to the gutters. I'm not exactly sure how much gallons of rainwater each unit can hold, but they are 5 feet tall, 4 feet wide, and depth is about, I think, 2 feet, right? So that should be enough to water our edible garden for about 2 months. Now let's talk about rainwater. Do you notice that plants look greener? Did you notice that plants look greener and lusher after the rain? Rain apparently has benefits that tap water cannot deliver. It contains nitrogen that stimulates plant growth. Tap water contains fluoride and chlorine, which are harmful to the plants and soil in heavy concentration. So how do you harvest rainwater? It is free money falling from the sky after all. If you don't have rain barrels yet, there are so many options available depending on your budget. Or you can even assemble a simple storage system. Here in Los Angeles, it is mandatory to have them installed in newly constructed houses. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you're having a great week so far, and I hope you
subscribe.
You like this video. Bye for now.
Bye for now. Hope you subscribe.
Oh, just go.
You subscribe.
Hope
you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe for now.
Bye.
Bye. Bye for now.